Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes without eggs. We'll start by looking at easy ways to replace eggs in your favorite recipe, ensuring your pancakes are still light and fluffy. You'll learn how to mix your batter for the perfect texture and get tips for cooking them to golden perfection. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic breakfast, even without eggs. There are several excellent egg substitutes you can use. For a neutral flavor, try 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce per egg. A mashed ripe banana also works wonderfully, adding a subtle sweetness. Another great option is a flax egg, made by mixing 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water and letting it sit for 5 minutes. For the best results, always mix your dry ingredients thoroughly in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. Then, gently combine them. It's crucial not to overmix the batter. A few small lumps are perfectly normal and will result in tender pancakes. Cook them on a lightly oiled, medium-hot griddle for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Once you've mastered the basic recipe, feel free to get creative with flavors. Try adding 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries or chocolate chips to your batter for a delightful twist. Serve your warm, fluffy pancakes with a generous drizzle of maple syrup, a dollop of whipped cream, or some fresh berries. A dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract can also elevate the taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.